In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your Lovable website on Hostinger in 2025. First, we begin by visiting the Hostinger website. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and create an account. Hostinger's user-friendly interface makes managing your web hosting a breeze. With your account ready, it's important to prepare your website files. If your site is static, gather your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files. But if you have a dynamic web application, make sure you also have your necessary backend files and any associated databases ready. If you're dealing with a WordPress site, rest assured because Hostinger offers a very convenient one-click WordPress installer. This feature saves a lot of time and energy, perfect for getting up and running quickly. Next, you'll need to purchase your hosting plan and domain if you haven't already. Log into your Hostinger account and explore the plans available. Whether you're opting for shared hosting for a simple setup or a VPS plan for larger applications, select the one that best fits your needs. After selecting your hosting plan, you can buy or connect your domain. If you're eyeing that perfect domain name, ensure it matches your brand's identity and is easy to remember. Now let's point your domain to Hostinger. If you bought your domain through Hostinger, they make it easy by automatically connecting it for you. However, if your domain is from a different provider, you'll need to update your domain's name servers to point to Hostinger. Simply replace them with ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. Keep in mind that changes like these can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to propagate, so patience is key here. Moving on, we'll upload your website files, navigate to Hostinger's hPanel, and click on Website, then File Manager. You can also use FTP with a client like FileZilla if you prefer. Once in the File Manager, upload your files to the public HTML folder. If you're dealing with a static site, just place all your files there. For WordPress, use Hostinger's auto installer found in the hPanel. After handling your files, setting up your database comes next if your application requires one. Visit the Databases section, then MySQL Databases in hPanel. Create a new database along with a username and password, then update your application's configuration file with these details. Finally, it's time to test your website. Open your domain in a browser, and if everything has been uploaded correctly, you should see your website live. In case you only see the default Hostinger page, double check that your index file is correctly named, such as index.html or index.php. For the final touch, we'll add security features. Go to hPanel, select SSL, and activate the free SSL certificate for your domain. This not only secures your website, but also enables HTTPS, offering additional security for your visitors. Optionally, consider adding Cloudflare for enhanced speed and protection. With everything set up and running smoothly, your Lovable website is now live on Hostinger.